So for part 2 assignments, there are 6 prompts to use on GPT. So the first prompt is what can I make with the question was like about the fridge. List 7 things in the fridge and you have to list the recipe. So I put in what can I make with carrots, eggs, lettuce, milk, and tomato, garlic, cheese, and include in the recipe. And then somehow I come up with carrots, lettuce, salad with cheesy garlic dressing. And then right here it tells me all the ingredients and how to make the dressing. And then on the bottom it just gives me the instruction how to make it. And I thought that's pretty cool that it can create a recipe for you. The second one is to write 5-page play about pioneer moving westward in the early 1800s. The characters' names are Sarah, Paul, Lee, Vern, Pat, Ethel, and Bert. And I read it in a pre-K level. And so it gives you the title of the play, and then it gives you like Act 1, Scene 2, Act 2, Scene 2, and then it gives you also gives you a description of each one. And I thought, and then yeah, and then for the next one is animal books for pre-K level. So educational books about animals for pre-K. So some of the books includes Brown Bear, What Do You See? Deer Zoo, Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? Goodnight Gorilla, and so on. So these books are not only for educators but also enjoyable for young children. So all of these are books all about animals, and that gives me about 10 different books for the animals, for books about animals for pre-K. The next one is the brain break for pre-K students. So I decided also to choose the pre-K student level. And some of the brain breaks are short, engaging activity to help young children release energy, refocus. And so some of the ideas are animal charade, Simon Says, counting jumps, yoga for kids, story, stretch, following the leaders, nature hunt, and balloon volleyball. So these are great ways for kids to do a brain break activities and then go back to the lessons or anything. Next one is the career survey to see what pre-K student would be most interested to learn about solar systems. So it gives you the title of pre-K solar system exploration survey, and then survey questions like what's your child's favorite plant? Will your child be more interested in learning about sun, moon, or stars? How do you think your child would learn about solar system through storybooks, hands-on activity, and give you a whole list of that? And what aspect of the solar system would your child found most fascinated? And then what your child interested dressing up as an astronaut for a special day to dedicate to space. And here's all the other survey questions. And I thought that was pretty cool and then easy for teachers to do it, something like that. And then last one is about what are some fun ways to induce rock and minerals to a pre-K. And so some ways are rock mineral hunt, story time, rock painting, sorting and matching, sensory play, nature walk, DIY fossils, rocks, minerals, show and tell. And that's pretty cool. It has bunch activities for kids to do, and that related to introduce rocks and minerals for pre-K students. And I thought ChatGPT was pretty cool. It has a bunch of other ideas and prompts for you to get some ideas from it. And that's it.